Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the world of safety with the best airbag sensor front impact available in the market. Now, if you're like me, safety is a top priority when it comes to your vehicle. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the 4PC's Car SRS Airbag Simulator Tester by BELOMI. This little device packs a punch when it comes to ensuring your airbag system is in top-notch condition. Let's start with the build quality. Crafted from gold-plated brass, these airbag testing tools boast exquisite housing and exceptional durability. They're designed to withstand thermal processing, ensuring longevity and reliability when you need it most. But what really sets this device apart is its sensitive diagnostic function. With the ability to detect internal resistance in real time, it's a valuable tool for diagnosing issues within your airbag SRS system. Plus, it's compatible with most airbag systems, making it a versatile solution for any vehicle. And let's talk convenience. These automotive airbag testing tools are incredibly compact and lightweight, making them perfect for on-the-go diagnostics. No wiring required, simply plug them into your vehicle and get instant results. It's that easy. Whether you drive an SUV, truck, or pickup, these airbag simulators are suitable for a wide range of applications. They can help electricians pinpoint the location of airbag system failures, potentially saving you time and money on costly repairs. It's peace of mind you can't put a price on. So there you have it, folks, the best airbag sensor front impact on the market. Don't compromise on safety when it comes to your vehicle. Invest in the 4PC's Car SRS Airbag Simulator Tester by BELOMI today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, drive safe.